How to fix 0x80070216 error on Windows 10 and 11. Comprehensive solutions for this common Windows error. What is the 0x80070216 error? A common Windows error encountered during app installation, updates, or system upgrades. Indicates a conflict or issue with system files, updates, or third-party applications. Why fix it? Prevents interruptions in using Windows features. Ensures your system remains secure and up-to-date. Common causes of the 0x80070216 error. 1. Corrupted system files. 2. Incomplete Windows updates. 3. Third-party software conflicts. 4. Insufficient storage space. 5. Malware or virus infection. Quick solutions overview. Restart your computer. Run Windows Update Troubleshooter. Check for sufficient storage space. Perform a system file scan. Disable or uninstall conflicting software. Update device drivers. Use a system restore point. Solution 1. Restart your computer. Restarting clears temporary glitches and refreshes system processes. Steps. Click Start, select Restart. Try the process that triggered the error again. Solution 2. Run Windows Update Troubleshooter. Open Settings Update and Security Troubleshoot. Select Windows Update Troubleshooter and click Run the Troubleshooter. Follow on-screen instructions to resolve the issue. Solution 3. Check storage space. Ensure there's enough free space for updates or installations. Steps. Go to Settings, System Storage. Free up space by deleting temporary files or unused apps. Solution 4. Perform a system file scan. Corrupted system files can trigger this error. Steps. Open Command Prompt as administrator. Type sfc/scannow and press Enter. Wait for the scan to complete and follow any repair instructions. Solution 5. Disable or uninstall conflicting software. Identify recently installed third-party applications. Disable or uninstall them via Control Panel Programs. Uninstall a program. Restart your computer and check if the issue persists. Solution 6. Update device drivers. Press Windows +X and select Device Manager. Locate the device with a yellow warning icon. Right-click and select Update Driver. Follow on-screen instructions to complete the update. Solution 7. Use System Restore. Revert your system to a previous state before the error occurred. Steps. Press Windows +R, type Restore E, and press Enter. Select a restore point and follow the instructions. Additional tips. Run antivirus scan. Check for malware causing system issues. Keep Windows updated. Regular updates prevent errors. Back up your data. Always back up your files before making significant changes. When to contact support. If the error persists after trying all solutions, contact Microsoft Support. Support options. Visit Microsoft Support. Use the inbuilt Get Help app in Windows. Conclusion. The 0x80070216 error is fixable using these systematic steps. Regular maintenance of your system can prevent such errors in the future. Follow the outlined solutions to resolve the issue and enjoy uninterrupted usage of your Windows system. Thank you. Contact information. For more tech tips, subscribe to our channel.